morning. It is the 9th. Is it the 9th? But it's Friday. Whatever day it is. It's Friday. But again, stay home today. Tired. I'm at my auntie's house to do some laundry because everybody having wash machine issues. That's what I'm doing. Try to wash my 3 weeks, 4 weeks worth of clothes. I know it sounds weird, but like the way I was working, I was leaving early in the morning, coming late at night, and I really got time to be doing laundry late at night. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but had a lot of things to do, so yeah, I'm gonna get some washing, then get some stuff done. I got edit last week's vlog, and I got continue to edit July's vlog. I got things to do today, so let's get started. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill in my auntie's house for now. I mean, I should really go and eat breakfast. Yeah, I should go eat breakfast. My auntie's Christmas tree, she's went up blue this year. Damn, she tree prettier than mine. Last time I went on the cruise, I actually brought a lot. I brought one for each country that I went to. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that again. Alright, while you're done washing, I'm gonna make breakfast. Done. Again, I watch some TikToks. I eat my breakfast and then take a quick shower. My clothes are already probably finished by now, but I gotta eat first. Hey, please do not pot down my clothes. Please. Or give me and you.
Me and you. Me and you.
Yeah, I successfully took out all the space. Who needs a dryer when you have that? You know what I mean? Now, who else got washed today? I'm so sorry. All the clothes best gone too. Here I am, live from my dearly departed grandfather's bedroom. This is literally the spot where he be laying up, cause he don't lay on that kind. It's so freaking hot outside. Like, this is what we got to deal with in December. Not blizzard. Ain't a blizzard. Ain't no cold weather, no cold front, no snow. It's pure this. Pure hot sun, baby. Tropics. Living in tropics. I'm so tired. I literally just washed my clothes, hang all my clothes, made breakfast, ate it, pick up the clothes out the washing machine, hang them up because it's 3 lines full of clothes because I haven't did laundry in a while. Then had to make sure the dogs have fresh water and everything. I'm tired. Outside hot. Outside so damn hot. Oh my god. This bed kind of comfortable. I probably the only body besides Ray and my auntie that like comfortable lying on this bed. Only because, like, you know how granddaddy passed? He didn't pass away in the bed. He passed away at the hospital, but, yeah. Last time he was here, he had a seizure. And, ambulance was called, and that was it. That was his last time here. He never came back home. But, sometimes I like talking about it, sometimes I don't. But it's a grief process. Dr. Miracles. I just shaped Dr. Miracles in my eye, but I ain't gonna wash this up. Okay, so I just did my hair. I wrote on serious the fact that I washed my hair and then I put back red on it. Cause my hair need doing, cause see all this and need doing. I feel like I might relax my hair next year. I didn't record today because I just wanted to relax and spend time with family. I was on the phone with my mom the whole day. I just wanted to relax. I want to play some Sims too because I don't think I'm leaving home tomorrow. I kind of want to do, because I got a lot of little errands to run for Christmas, but I might just push it out to Tuesday or Friday. I don't know. Probably a day this week. I do have a funeral on Tuesday. My great grandmother passed. Yeah, it was a lot this year. So it's funeral number 3 for me. Yeah. So I'm just gonna play Sims tonight and chill, and that'll be it. Okay, y'all. Y'all hear the rain, right? I really don't want to go to class. Like, today's supposed to be like editing and whatnot, which I'm really, really interested in. But outside is so like disgusting. Okay, update, y'all. Class canceled. Our tutor posted a flood warning watch, like a link for the flood warning watch that's going on. Flood warning until like 6 o'clock. So yeah, I just take a shower and play Sims. Oh yeah, I do have to edit, not classwork, but Vlogmas and other stuff. I forget to show it, but my sim actually got a B in her class. She's in university. She got a B in her class because I forgot I left my game on pause, and then it came back and she got a B, and I didn't even help her. Period. I don't know where she at though, but she's very tense and she need to cut it out. Like, but we gonna pay the lottery because we broke. We on like what you call that, like financial aid, so we ain't had to pay for class. Cause look how much money we got. So we can trade for the lottery. Okay, yeah, guys, I took a shower. I put back on my pajamas. We got a phone call today. Well, like in the past, it's 10 o'clock, 2 hours ago, from a guy, and it was one of my grandfather's old distant friend that we've never heard about. And like I told you guys, I think in the previous vlog, my great grandmother passed away, which is my grandfather's who passed away, his mom. She passed the day before Independence Day, and her funeral is Thursday, right? So the old friend called the house and he was like, hi, because I've been thinking like, okay, is somebody calling for my grandmother? And he was just like, hey, hi, can I speak to Laval? Which was one of my grandfather's name, which is mostly known by. And I froze because that was the first time it happened since he died 8 months ago. So I was just like, okay, who's speaking? Who's speaking? And he said his name and everything. He says, I haven't heard my friend in a while. Just wanna call and say my condolences because I heard his mom passed away and he knew the mom and everything. And I just had to ask the guy if he was sitting down and explain to him, you know, my grandfather passed 8 months ago. I'm so sorry. Like, I didn't know what to do. Like, I felt so horribly bad, and you could hear the hurt in this man's voice. And the guy keeps saying, like, oh, like, you could really, really hear him hurting over the other phone. And it hurt me as well because, like, I will never, ever, ever be able to think. Because, like, my grandfather had a lot of friends. So, mostly, sometimes he will call, and he was a contractor, so he have a lot of clients, like, billing, like, you know, billing houses. He's billing houses for, but be like, oh, can I speak to Mr. Phillips? Da 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 da. And I'd just be like, okay, hold on, granddaddy, the phone. I would never be able to say that again. Ever. Like, 10 is the time. Because I know he can hear me. I know my grandfather can hear me, but yeah. I would never be able to say that again, and it hurt my feelings a little bit. And, you know, it was so serene, and he said, well, thank you for letting me know. And man, look, right? I trying to fix my Sims like thing, like hygiene, as somebody had to do, right? But then I went to turn on the light because it's so dark. She pay she bills. Oh my god. She really took it on me. And the thing about it is she can't even go on the computer, because you could go on the computer, pay the bills and whatnot. And she can't use the water to go and bathe or nothing like that because her hygiene is like stupid low. She can't do nothing, so she literally just got pay her bills so she could get back the water, the light, everything. Oh my gosh, she's the best. What do you call a priest on Halloween? Pay bills. Colin! The situation. Look how much the bills is and look how much money she got. Oh my god, we brat. But I mean, at least we got running water and like here. Yeah, so there's light. So today is the 15th. Yeah, the 15th. Excuse the noise in the background. That's the family over. Today is my great grandma's funeral. And I don't know what to do with my hair. I'm not putting on makeup because you see the sweat on my face. Gonna try, emphasis on try, to clean up my brows. Maybe I got really brow lady next week, but I ain't doing nothing spectacular. It's sorry. I know people gonna be taking pictures and stuff, but I'm sorry I'm about it today. She got good. And not only that, I don't want to part. My ears don't want to part. I want to part. I would do that. You're walking a guy like a bad. I know people disappear. The spray. I just come to pick up a few things because I want to get home right back. Wait, y'all want to see saying? Oh my god, I get the new tuba. I get the tuba and see-through at the bottom. I ain't spending this at all. I forget to do my edges. It's gonna get horrible. But it's so cute. Oh shit. I know I forget saying, but I was going to for that. Disclaimer, if I look capped in the camera, I honestly don't care anymore. I don't care to edit it out. I don't care to put a filter on anymore. Like, I had a rough year. And I still haven't healed from certain things, and stress will make yourself look a certain way, and I tired of apologizing for that. Yes, sir. I'm here to go soon. Yeah, I don't even know if it's gonna be. Holy shit.
Oh yeah, you're doing Vlogmas.
Oh yeah, I didn't even know if it's gonna do Vlogmas, but like, this ways do, right? I spend so much time with my friends, my close friends, that I just forget to vlog, because when we together, it's just a good thing. So
Yeah, I say I was there looking at it because I was there doing a vlog too, and I just like, oh my word, oh that's name right there. I was there doing a little vlog too, and I was like, what's she getting out she camera? She playing out, she right there. She playing, she's like,
oh boy.
I got hold on, you take she to go, she camera.
Hold
Anyway,
on,
man,
wait.
that's a millennial for you.
Wait, hold on. Join us lately. Ooh, where the rest she coming from? Look. Not the all we had to see if I did. What do you mean?
She mean taking out your phone record.
Oh. Hey.
Oh, not these shoes.
Look, I said, look. I need to wear my Crocs. You even talk about. Oh my god. She need Crocs.
These is the ones you was saying that you get her saying something?
So cute.
That would be from the.
Okay. So we went on Chanel. We went on Chanel. I didn't think she lost because she went to Cassie. I said I'll go to Cassie because I had Cassie yesterday. Y'all know how Cassie was.
Yeah, I've had a little Cassie moment for a little while too.
Yeah. So I decided to go back to my old ways.
Yeah.
Only because of the most of these nice benches and something nice and stuff. So she didn't just like, no, I want Cassie. So I was like, alright, cool, we're gonna just go and get where we stuff and come back. Sis, like, she like fall into a dungeon at Cassie.
Either that or she buying the whole menu.
You understand? Because we here saying the sun going down and
The food getting cold.
the food getting cold.
I gave you 5 more minutes though, because this pizza ain't about to be at cold. Donna been here eating she fries.
I'm really like afraid so I can get off the bar. This shit is very cold. Update. What time is?
It is now 5:48 or 12 minutes to 6 o'clock.
Actually, I know Benny Carna.
No Benny Carna. Chips done. Pizza cold.
My chest done.
My wrap must be warm.
I made pizza like
Hanging off enough to buy it. Alright.
there's literally it. She didn't know Benny Carna across the room.
That's like an hour she's spending there. Now like Cassie ain't gonna belong. The reason though, because Cassie's got so much options that people just be like, and they all eat and stuff.
True. I feel like KFC is that good. It's like, well, I can't if I gotta spend all my late again is food. Period. But if it was your fat now. Anyways, I texturized my hair. With the kit, it was done. My aunt did it for me, thank God. Just a touch up because I got my hair done on Thursday. Right, but I didn't show the whole process because everybody watching football and everything today was chaotic. So nobody had anything to vlog, spending time with my family. But anywho's, this is it. It's nice. Oh, actually wear this. I have to go to class this week, but Only Thursday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and then I have an appointment on Thursday. I think that's the last time I leave in the house for the week. But yeah, me and Ray watching Avengers. So I can see y'all later.